पूछ रही हूँ मैं चाइनीज।
बोलो, any questions? सेंथिल, एक विचार सोच विचार चालू है अभी। अच्छा ठीक है।
Yeah,
Yeah.
I'm trying to recall. I got a question on your post. I forgot now. I'm trying to recall on that.
Which post?
Today's post
Krishna's
about
recruiting or something like that, no?
Yeah, wanted for Krishna's team membership.
Yes.
Able-bodied souls.
You know, Dad, I saw, by the way, I saw this movie called Milk. And it is
Angelina
one-
Jolie.
No, Milk.
No. Sean Penn.
Milk is Sean Penn, yeah.
Sean Penn
And
is
Harvey Milk, it's about Harvey Milk. Dad, what a movie! It's phenomenal. It's brilliant, out of this world.
it's
and-
about this union
Gay rights.
unionism. Yes.
No, not unionism, gay rights.
Gay rights. Okay, sorry. Oh,
And-
union. Na? It's about unions.
It's about the union of two souls
Yes.
beyond gender.
Yes.
Yes. Anyway, so oh God, it is such an amazing movie. I tell you, it honestly,
It won an
Sean
Oscar.
Penn,
I think 2 Oscars it won.
I'm sure it won loads of things. I think he won Best Actor for that movie.
Yeah, he did.
And what performances and what a story as well. I genuinely now I'm all for gay rights. Like
Anyway,
earlier I was a slight homophobe, but today.
we will. Yes, Aparna, you have something.
Wow, this is regarding a post what Senthil mentioned now, and also what Pari mentioned about team membership. You says able-bodied souls who are sattvic in every way. What does sattvic mean here in today's Kali Yuga?
Okay. I'll just one moment. One moment. See, I'm going to read 2 verses. Okay, just listen to the verses. And the occupational activities a man performs according to his own position are only so much useless labor if they do not provoke attraction for the message of the personality of Godhead Krishna. Okay, this is one verse. And the second verse says, all occupational engagements are certainly meant for ultimate liberation. They should not be performed for material gain. Furthermore, according to sages, one who is engaged in the ultimate occupational service should never use material gain to cultivate sense gratification. Okay? Life's desires should never be directed towards sense gratification. One should desire only a healthy life or self-preservation, since a human being is meant for inquiry about the absolute truth. Nothing else should be the goal of one's work. Okay? I have read through the 3 verses. Good morning, Kalpana. I have read through 3 verses from the Srimad Bhagavatam. Now, in these 3 verses, the clear definition is there. Definition is, first you need to have an able body, yes or no? To do any activity, you need first an able body. If you are लूला लंगड़ा या फिर अंधा काना, तो तुमको सोचो, do you think you will be able to perform anything? Now you think about it, why are there people born with these type of defects? According to the karmic activity which they have done in the past, they have to go through these defects. Okay, but when they are going through the defects, the Lord is actually looking at them and trying to ascertain whether are they actually trying to cope up with it. Do you remember there is one word which went over there?
Endure.
Yes, you have to go through it. Going through it is important. And are you able to see the locus standi or the position, which is very, very important? What is it? Devotion
Faith.
to me. That's it.
Yeah.
Devotion to the Lord is all that he is asking for. So, first, are you able-bodied? Second, are you following the job which I have told you to do? And it is only for the purpose of so that you can get only what is required.
Sustenance.
Not, yes, correct. Sustenance. That is also the word that is for self-sustenance and self-preservation. Correct? That is all that is required for self-sustenance and preservation. But in the 3 lines, did you notice that he is saying whatever job that has been given to you? Alright. So, what is the job that has been given to you? That means what? I wrote those 3 things in the morning today, and last night also I wrote something. Whatever that I have written, if you see it, you will come to know that first and foremost you have to qualify with the basic requirements. The basic requirements are that you need to fulfill this bodily requirement only up to the point of self-preservation. That means only up to a sustenance level. Okay. Now, there are people who have beyond their sustenance levels. So, if a person has beyond the sustenance levels, you will find that a bigger hole is drawn over there for removing that extra sustenance.
Yeah.
See, we have only one hole which is over here, everything goes inside. For them, they have multiple holes for it to dump their stuff in. That means the bigger the idea about money gathering, the more the amount of spending that is going to happen.
Yeah.
So even if somebody says that I am donating to charity or I am doing this or I am doing that, what they don't seem to understand is the universe has been made in such a way that the universe is drawing it out. Okay? And the more the drawing out, the bigger is the ego getting. Understood? So the idea is, okay, so you want Krishna to come to your house. What is it that you have done for him till today? तो एक ही पूछते हैं वो, मैंने जो तुमको काम दिया है वो सही ढंग से किया क्या? Have you done the job which I have entrusted to you? Or are you doing what your mind is telling that you are supposed to do? So have you conquered your mind? Or is your mind telling you that this is what you got to do and that you are doing that? So do you think you can welcome? So the first question, see, even if you are working in a company, the first question, or even if you are studying in a college or a school, the first question which the teacher will ask when she comes to the class is, have you done your homework? So I don't know whether you have noticed that every time when I start up, I will ask you any questions. I have not given you all much homework, but I have asked you all this. If you have done your homework, then you would definitely come up with some questions. So are there any questions? So these are the things which are important, and we have to always follow the track which Krishna has set us up with. So if he has set us up with a particular thing, then he got to do that. Now what happens is, this verse can be construed in a completely different way. Now a person may say that I am no longer a part of this material world. I am not there for the purpose of doing something in the material world. I am not here for this purpose and I am not here for that purpose. So Most of the people when they leave everything and they go for the purpose of sannyasa, as a renunciate, they do not have anything except one piece of cloth, a kamandalu, and all that is required. So they are carrying those things. So when they are carrying those things, they are supposed to be only having that with them. And there the question of gathering for the day doesn't come. It is only that much which is enough to sustain for that particular hour or the minute. So only if you have been given a mandate can you become a bird, gathering for that hour or for when the stomach is hungry. If the mandate is such, if the mandate says that you have to go to the Himalayas, then you cannot have a potli full of goodies, so that मैं बीच में जाते जाते थोड़ा थोड़ा खा लूँगा. हम लोग पोटली बना के लेके जाते हैं ना पिकनिक को, वैसा. तो पिकनिक को तो नहीं जा रहे हैं हम लोग, जा रहे हैं renouncing everything, so you cannot even carry that one potli. Alright, only if you are given a mandate. But in today's day and age, there is no such mandate given to anybody. Nobody. So if nobody has been given the mandate, then what is the mandate that has been given? The mandate that is given is, this is the Kali Yuga. The techniques which are completely different, the techniques that have been mentioned to you are basically about that you can follow the Bhakti Marg. Bhakti Marg is about devotional path. He is not asking you to go into any other complicated stuff. He is not asking you to run away to the Himalayas. He is not even asking you that you should be, उपवास, एक 50 दिन का उपवास करने का, 100 दिन का उपवास करने का, ये करने का, वो करने का. He is not even telling you any of this. So for him, the only reason why you have been given this life is so that you can have your daily sustenance. Now the question that may come up to you was, sustenance का मतलब क्या है? I am sure many of you have seen your old grandmothers and grandfathers and their fathers and all that, and in their houses, if they are farmers by profession, they will farm, they will gather their produce and keep it stored for the whole year, right? In the late 60s, 50s and 60s, there was an era of rationing. Everybody was issued a ration card. During the World War, ration card was important. So everybody was allotted certain amount of so many kg of rice, so many kg of sugar, so much, itna ghaslet, itna ye, itna wo. Correct? Then came the age where there was a lot of things available. Plenty. Things were available plenty. So then the age came where you could store for 1 month or 2 months at a time, depending on the seasonal requirements. See, you will find that the rates keep on fluctuating in the market. So अच्छा ये कोलम तांदुल कितने को मिलता है, और you will find this particular basmati rice. So you may buy 2 kg or 1 kg of basmati rice and keep it. That basmati rice you will only use on occasion, isn't it? In the same way, then an age has come today where people buy. Just remember, there was a time when things were sold in gallons and all, okay, gallons and kilograms and tons and all. Now today everything is sold in 50 grams and 100 grams. Masala bhi 50 gram. Imagine, in olden times we used to make 5 kilo का मसाला बना के रख दिया उधर, पूरा बरस के लिए यूज करो. ओके, वो पापड़, सांडगा, ये वो सब है ना, हम लोग ऊपर जाके सुखाते थे. We'll lay down one entire एक ऐसा प्लास्टिक कवर और उसके ऊपर वो पापड़ बना के डालने का. Then came the age of लिज्जत पापड़. And लिज्जत पापड़ means एक पैक आता था 25 का या 50 का, उतना ले सकते थे. अभी क्या है? In today's day and age, there is no पापड़, there is no 5 kg of वो लोणचा भी मिलता है तो 100 grams में. बोलता है जितना मिलता है उतना खाओ. And they say buy fresh from the market. Okay, and the catch line is with enough preservatives in it. Yeah. So we have come to an age of tamas, तो तमस इज चलो 100 ग्राम अभी मांगता है, जाके बाजार से लेके आओ, 100 ग्राम ही यूज करो. The age where people used to go and buy stuff is gone, and so everything is like application based. Isn't it? Application based. Application लगा तो लेने का. अभी अभी थोड़े दिन पहले वो एंग्री बर्ड्स था, उसके बाद टेम्पल रन था, और अभी और कुछ रहेगा. हाँ, एक जमाना था जब भी हम लोग के पास पैकमैन था, ऐसा टक 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 करके खाता था वो. फिर उसके बाद आया मारियो ब्रदर्स, सुपर मारियो ब्रदर्स. अभी और कुछ है. सो it has become like that. Earlier we used to go and buy movies by the dozen. अभी क्या है, डाउनलोड करने का. अभी परी क्या है, ऑनलाइन देखती है. डाउनलोड करने का भी जरूरी नहीं, पैसा देने का भी जरूरी नहीं, खाली इंटरनेट का कॉस्ट देने का बस, बाकी you can see it online. So the whole thing has changed dramatically over the years. So if you look at it, people have become more easygoing, lethargic, lazy, everything that is not required but is required for this yoga. So the question of having a sattvic mentality does not come up. So where is the question of anybody qualifying for the last update that I gave? What is sattvic? तो वो बहुत difficult लगता है कि नहीं? So that is the reason why it is mentioned that can you perform what is required for this particular yoga and not what is mentioned for any other yoga. So focusing on it is very important. Mind has the power of making judgments. It is the mind which judges. Okay, please understand. You can distort complete, whatever the jobs that have been given, you can distort them to the level that you think your mind can think of. A mind will say, कि नहीं मैं तो मेडिकल ट्रांसक्रिप्शन में बहुत चाहूँ. अच्छा, मतलब तूने डॉक्टर गिरी किया, सर्जन का काम किया, क्यों? मेडिकल ट्रांसक्रिप्शनिस्ट बनने के लिए. ऑफ कोर्स you are eligible for it, no doubt you are eligible. You see, if I become a doctor, I will earn only 50,000 rupees, but if I become a medical transcriptionist, I earn over 2 lakh rupees per month. मालूम है, क्योंकि मेरे को terms आता है. Of course you have to know the terms also. So whatever, so we are going to slowly take our path towards the what is our swadharma, what is our true duty. So slowly we will be moving towards that. So I think I have explained all my 3 updates. So you can apply for them. Krishna ka www. What is the website? krishnanos.com.
Krishnanos.
Yeah. Applications invited. Bolo. Somebody wanted to ask something.
Yeah, you said 3 verses of Bhagavatam. Sorry, I've joined late. You said the first 2. The third is what? First is to do to be able-bodied. Second is to follow the.
If Brito has recorded, you can go back.
Okay.
Okay, so you go back to the verses. I have read all the 3 verses. I don't want to. We are not doing Srimad Bhagavatam, but I just said because I was going in the Srimad Bhagavatam just for understanding purpose. There is a mention which is there in that.
Okay.
We will take up from 31. Besides considering your own duty too, you should not waver, for there is nothing more welcome for a man of the warrior class than a righteous war. So, what is your own duty? This is the thing that is the reason why I gave you all such a big introduction to that topic. What is your duty? Please understand, the words are very simple. That which comes to you naturally. Understood? You don't have to struggle hard for getting to that. If you look at a person called Sachin Tendulkar, he has got that ability naturally, or as a Sunil Gavaskar, or as a Kishore Kumar. Kishore Kumar did not have any technical qualification for becoming a singer, but he became a natural singer. So that came to him so naturally. Whereas his elder brother, acting came to him very naturally, so he became an actor. Unfortunately, in the last part of his life, he became a person who had poultry farms. I really wonder what acting has got to do with poultry farms. So he was hatching eggs or maybe creating chickens. But it was not right. That was not going to be a part of it. So today the poultry farms may or may not be there. But his acting career, there's a very beautiful song which he had sung also. Re lagadi. Chik 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 chik. Beach wale station bole ruk 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 ruk. I remember Ashok Kumar's very beautiful song. Okay, and he was known as a very famous actor at that point in time. But did you know that he was a person who owned chicken coops and all farms? No, nobody knows that. In the same way, Kishore Kumar is known for his singing. Didn't that come to him naturally? So anybody and everybody in our world around, you will find that there are certain natural abilities a person has. He shows right in the beginning. Say for example, Aparna's son, Snehan, has this ability of, he keeps on watching these programs on the star, the skies and so on and so forth. I still remember going with him for one particular show, and he asked a question to this supposedly great gentleman from some foreign university. I don't know who that person was. And that guy told him, you please write this question to me, and he gave such a vague answer. The boy was asking a very, very legitimate question, but the person was not even qualified to give an answer. So it may so happen that Snehan may take up that profession or may not take up that profession. But if his love for it is far greater, the universe will work its magic to get him over there. It is very important. Now, in other people, I know about Kalpana. Kalpana's family is a family which is basically into businesses. You can't be working for some fancy IT and BT or some sort of a company and then saying, I am earning good over there and all that. No, you may have to do the business that is required, and doing the business, you may or may not profit. It does not matter. Krishna is going to come to this point. So in the battlefield, he says, Krishna is telling Arjuna, you are a Kshatriya. What is your primary job? Your primary job is to ensure that you fight. Kshatriya's job is fighting, isn't it? And ruling a kingdom. This is his basic job. So he says, you can't be such a yellow-faced person and cannot say कि मैं नहीं fight करूँगा. वो तुम्हारा काम है, वो तुम्हारा कर्तव्य है, वो तुम्हारा duty है. So in this line he says very clearly, he says, considering your own duty too, you should not waver. So doing your own duty. So that is the reason why whenever I meet Snehan, I will always tell him, Snehan, last time when he came to my house, I had a very old CD line with me. And I just picked it up and I gave it to him. It is all about stars and beautiful stuff. I know it is, it's an ancient one, but still, I think if he uses it, it is going to be. So every time when he comes, there is some discussion only on the subject matter of his interest. So also, whenever Pari comes, I always talk about, as much as possible about economics and about the subjects that are very, very interesting to her. So if I have to present her with something, I will present her that which is very, very helpful to her. So I think the last time when she came, I gave her The Black Swan by Nissim Ezekiel, isn't it? Right? Nissim Talib. So that is an important book. Again, now there are other things. So if I have to meet, say, Senthil and his son, first I have to understand what is his taste, what is the duties that are there meant for him. हम लोग शादी में है ना जब भी गिफ्ट देते हैं ना तभी 50 ब्रिटो इज लाफिंग, अभी तेरी शादी नहीं हुई है भैया, जब होगी ना तभी देख लेना ना. हाँ, you will find that there are at least 50 people who will give you cups and saucers and all, and you really wonder इतना साला तो मैं चाय भी नहीं पीता हूँ.
Wall clock and wall clock
And wall clock.
and night
I
lamps.
think they want you to be awake full day and night, drinking tea and coffee and looking at the clocks. मतलब मेरा नंबर कब आएगा ऐसा. So it's a very funny scene. So the thing is, when you have to give something to somebody, what is that person actually needing is what you should give, not some bullshit stuff. So the duties. Now if I have to meet Arjuna today in the back anywhere, what is it that I will give him? Some weaponry or something which will be a life-saving thing for him. You know, I don't want to give him चलो मैकडोनल्ड्स का तेरे को है ना फ्री वाउचर, $50 फ्री वाउचर, वो नहीं देगा मैं उसको मैकडोनल्ड से क्या मतलब है. उसको तो बोलेगा कैन यू गिव मी दैट स्टार वॉर सेबर, इट विल हेल्प मी विन द वॉर. स्टार वॉर सेबर करके आता है बाहर वो. So every time when you have to meet somebody, please understand that that person has an inherent duty which has come to him very naturally, and that duty which has come to him very naturally, he has to do it. Now for the purpose of analysis, if you take up, now there is a person who is, let us say, a merchant. The merchant has a son who is not a merchant but who is working for an IT company. Don't you really wonder? And at the age when he is around 45 or 50, he takes up an early retirement. I mean, early retirement nowadays is by the time a person is 30 and 35. A person is completely finished by the time he is 30 or 35. But early retirement, हमारे ज़माने में early retirement बोलेगा तो 55 years. मतलब 55 years is my early retirement. I took a VRS करके बोलेगा लोग. कितना ईयर को? 55 years. I had 3 more years of service left, you know. अच्छा. और अभी VRS, by the time you are 30 only you have got a VRS. And then you have joined another 10 more companies. By the time you are 45 you have taken at least 10 VRSs. This is the age. Okay. So coming back to the Padma, you have said something. Sorry. Okay. What does VSP stand for? I don't know what VRS.
Voluntary separation program है.
Oh, very special people. Okay, voluntary
severance package.
Package, not retirement. Okay, whatever. मेरे को तो अभी समझता नहीं क्योंकि हमारा तो रिटायरमेंट बहुत पहले हो चुका था. अपने को वापस सर्विस में आना पड़ता है. Reconditioned parts. So coming back to that. So everybody has been given specific duties and specific jobs which they should first know, that which comes to them very naturally, and if it comes to you naturally, you have to do what it is supposed to do. So Arjuna, besides considering your own duty, you should not waver, for there is nothing more welcome for a man of the warrior class than a righteous war. Arjuna, fortunate are the Kshatriyas who get such an unsolicited opportunity for war, which is an open gateway to heaven. Now again, opportunities will come to the person very naturally. I said two lines. One is, your duties are those which come to you naturally first, and the second one is, opportunities will also come to you naturally. Understood? And when the opportunities come, you better take them. So don't say मेरे को opportunity नहीं दिया भगवान, मेरे को है ना IT इंडस्ट्री में जाने को. अपना opportunity खाली IT इंडस्ट्री में. सॉरी, किसने बोला तुमको? अगर तुमको है ना कुकिंग अच्छा से आता है तो तुम आईटी इंडस्ट्री में क्या कर रहा है, क्या खिचड़ी पका रहा है उधर जाके? उससे अच्छा उसके जैसा बनो ना। वो कौन है, क्या गोरलेन बोरलेन, क्या उसका क्या क्या नाम है, वो अच्छा बोर्डेन,
एंथनी बोर्डन।
यस, उसके
नो
जैसा कुछ पकाने का,
reservations.
यस कुछ पकाने का। और नहीं तो वो न्यूयॉर्क का एक शेफ है, ऐसा मोटिया सा एकदम, वो अच्छा कुछ इटालियन पास्ता फास्ता बनाते रहता है, and he has this school. So if that is your main story, why not do that? In most of the European nations, if you ever go to a wine store, you will find wines from different parts of Italy and Spain and Chile and Argentina, पता नहीं क्या nations के wines है, क्योंकि मैं एयरपोर्ट में है ना ऐसा सब दुकान ढूंढते रहता हूँ। हाँ नहीं, समझ में आना मांगता है ना कि इतना क्या किधर से आता है। तो वो स्टडी करते मेरे को तो मजा आता है वो सब देखने के लिए, तो आई गो एंड एक्चुअली सी द होल थिंग। सो आई वाज अमेज्ड द अमाउंट ऑफ प्रोड्यूस व्हिच ऑस्ट्रेलिया हैज। ऑस्ट्रेलिया इज अ वेरी वास्ट कंट्री, huge prairie farming, huge farmers, big farms. Their cows are bigger than Tuntun. I mean, they are very fat cows they have. And they have so much of liquor flowing all over the place that they wash their cows with क्या है वो बियर बॉटल्स, पता नहीं बियर डाल के उनको मस्त से धो के निकालते हैं। It's an amazing thing. I mean, the person was saying, I wash them with beer because it contains carbon dioxide and all that, and they become clean. बोला नेक्स्ट टाइम वहां से दूध पिएगा तो थोड़ा ऐसा चढ़ेगा। तो हम ये घर में तो पूरा ऑस्ट्रेलियन ही दूध आता है, लेकिन तो क्योंकि सिंगापुर में खाली ऑस्ट्रेलिया का दूध आता है, ऑस्ट्रेलिया और बाजू में मलेशिया और ऐसा ही जगह। So the thing is, that which comes naturally to you, and the universe will make its magic so that the things come to you naturally. समझ में आया? मतलब opportunities भी चल के आएगा, लेकिन तुम्हारे पास देखने के लिए आँख है क्या? When the opportunities come, are you opening your doors? I was telling Raj, I said the reason why I have written this is, वहाँ पे कृष्णा आके ना डोर नॉक करेगा फेडरल एक्सप्रेस टिंग टिंग करके, तो भी है ना कोई खोलने वाला नहीं है, पहला ऐसा आंख में से देखता है कौन है, बोला अब इंडिया में बोलते ये उधर ही छोड़ के जाना। और ज्यादा देर मैंने कपड़े नहीं पहने इसके लिए तू उधर ही छोड़ के जा। अपने इंडिया में ऐसे लोग हैं, बट यूएसए में है ना वो वापस साला आते रहता है ना ब्रिटो? वो बाजू का घर में है ना चिटका के नहीं जाएगा, वो बोलेगा जब तक वो आदमी नहीं मिलता है तब तक मैं उसको नहीं छोड़ूंगा। आप परी को भी एग्जाम्पल मालूम है ना? हाँ, तो बोला जब तक वो आदमी नहीं मिलता है तब तक मैं नहीं छोड़ेगा। सो फेडरल एक्सप्रेस हो या कोई भी हो आदमी, वो बराबर उसका पीछा करते हैं। आई स्टिल रिमेम्बर दैट द नेक्स्ट टाइम इफ आई see the runaway bride, I will always have to ensure that the FedEx van is not next door. नहीं तो वापस वो भाग जाएगी उसमें। Julia Roberts. That was a very beautiful scene from the movie where she runs away for the last time in FedEx. So the thing is, opportunities also. Pari has written, by naturally that comes to you, but something that comes to you naturally, do you mean instinct? Instinct means basically instincts are connected to the animal kingdom, no? Right? See, we have two things with us, which I was telling you that day in the satsang. One is called karma, which is your destiny, which is going to happen any which way, whether you like it or not. And the second one is our tendency. The instincts come because of our tendencies. You see, one animal will run away from the other just because of instincts. उसका ऐसा बाल ऐसा कान ऐसा खड़ा होता है टिंग करके. If you have seen a deer, you know, वो ज्योग्राफी चैनल है नेशनल ज्योग्राफी, उसमें वो देखेगा वो ना वो डियर इज इन ऐसा खा रहा है, सडनली है ना टिंग ऐसा करके उसको होता है, फिर है ना वो देखता है आजू बाजू में ऐसा ऐसा आंख करके, तो उधर टाइगर या लायन या कुछ तो भी है, फिर भागता है जोर से. It is his tendency of hearing to the sounds. That means he has got his ears to the ground. He's got a sense of smell. तो वो instincts जो है are more connected to our tendencies, our past and the current tendencies that you have developed. This is the jobs that come to us naturally. In ancient times, there were these 4 castes supposedly. One is the Brahmanas, the Kshatriyas, the Vaishyas and the Shudras. Everybody was given their specific jobs. Now, if there was a sweeper, his son would be a sweeper. It was very natural, flowing from one land to the other. So a king's son would become a king. Correct? Very natural. A politician's son will become a politician. It was very, very natural. But today, what has happened? A person who is a sweeper's son wants to become a doctor. Okay? Now, it is completely going against the vein. Some people may say this is not a right thing to do, equal opportunities and all that. There was one very beautiful video posted yesterday. Okay, I was walking on the streets, so I saw that video. There is this video posted by a Delhi boy. Okay, now the Delhi boy gets inside a bus. Now in the bus there are, I think, more than 10 or 12 women, college girls and all that, and this fellow is standing holding like this, and these girls are going on and on and on and on and chattering, this, that, cell phone, falana, everything is going on, and suddenly the bus stops and this person literally falls on the girl in front. So the first time it happens. Then the second time it happens, this girl turns around and she gives him one tight slap on his face. You know, she gives a very tight slap on his face. So he is doing like this, and what he does is he goes and stands ahead of her near the door. Suddenly what happens? Now this girl is continuing talking with her friend. Suddenly there is a break and the girl falls on him, dhad karke. So he turns around and gives her a tight slap. So, and she says sorry. So he looks at her, there are no dialogues in this, and then he looks at her and he says, when it happened to me naturally, you turned around and you gave me a slap. And now when it happened naturally to you, when you fell on me, was this required or no? So basically the punchline was, you are not going to like this video because this says something. Now you can't blame the whole world for being like that. There are some people with tendencies, बोलते सब सभी कुत्ते शायद नहीं होंगे, कोई पोमरेनियन होगा, कोई चिहुआवा होगा, तो हो सकते हैं ऐसे, किसी को पेट कर सकते हैं. हमारा कुत्ता देखा ना कैसा है, ऐसा ऊपर टंगड़ी करके सोया था. कल का पिक्चर देखा मैंने, बोला भैया तेरा बेसिक जॉब क्या है? What is, see, understand, a dog's job is what? To guard the house and to take care that, मतलब अगर कोई चीज की जरूरत है तो वो वहां पे है, कुत्ता है, करेक्ट है ना? और यहाँ पे हमारे कुत्तों को हमको गार्ड करना पड़ता है. तो आर दे डूइंग देयर ड्यूटीज? दे आर फॉलिंग डाउन ऑन देयर ड्यूटीज. सो टुमारो व्हेन पीपल हैव टू गो टू वॉर, तो कौन वॉर को जाएगा कल? सोचो ना आप, जस्ट थिंक अबाउट इट. सो अर्जुना इज बीइंग टोल्ड, is reprimanded by Krishna, where he says, Fortunate are the Kshatriyas who get such an unsolicited opportunity of war. Today, one Indian person was killed, no, on the front.
2 were killed, one
Oh,
was
is it?
beheaded.
Okay. So 2 got killed, and there was such a big furor. All right. Now think about it. What is the job? Right? It's not that we should go to war deliberately, but when it is required, war is required. War is required. It's an unsolicited opportunity. It's an opportunity which comes naturally. So, yes, they are defense personnel. But if somebody is beheading somebody, for what reason? And then you are going to have parleys, and then you will call this fellow's minister and that fellow's minister and say, देखो हम लोगों ने सही ढंग से बात करनी चाहिए, ये करना चाहिए. Yes, you should definitely try. Like Krishna also went and tried, so that there can be peace amongst them. लेकिन अगर नहीं होता तो war करना पड़ता है. So when there is a need for a war, there is a need for a war, and if the war opportunity comes up for a Kshatriya, he has to fight, because it's a very, very given opportunity at that point in time. So always remember, first point, you have to do that which comes to you naturally. Duty, not instinct. Duty, D-U-T-Y. And the second one, the universe will work its magic so that you get these opportunities on a continuous basis. Now if you refuse to fight this righteous war, then shirking your duty and losing your reputation, you will incur sin. Now the moment you say, I am not going to fight, you are going to incur sin. So why are you there? Just imagine, हम लोगों ने कोई एक अच्छी चीज लाके रखी है. हम लोगों के घर में एक चीज थी पहले, ओके, उस चीज को हम लोगों ने बहुत बरस बचा के रखा. उसका नाम था ओमनी कार. The total number of mileage that he has ever run in, I think 6-7 years, was only 11,000. And the amount of money that we paid for the upkeep of the car was far exceeding that. So it was worthless. So then why are you getting ready for this? See, if you are there meant for a particular purpose, you are meant for a purpose. Today the nuclear warheads are meant for deterrence. So every country wants to have nuclear warheads so that they can deter the other countries so that they don't come and bomb. Okay, you can use it for the deterrent purpose, no problem. So coming back to this. So you will incur sin. Sin means you will get into what is called as a karmic loop. Nay, people will also pour undying infamy on you, and infamy brought on a man enjoying popular esteem is worse than death. Reminds you of somebody who did something day before yesterday. A very famous person who has brought infamy on himself. Dadiwala Baba.
आसाराम बाबू.
एक गलत डायलॉग मार के उसने बहुत तकलीफ कर दी खुद को, अपने आप को. So here, if you do not do your duty, even if it comes naturally to you, it's coming very naturally to you, and I have given you the opportunity to do it, and yet you are not doing it, then what will happen? You will incur sin. Forget about incurring sin. तुमको इस दुनिया में रहने के लिए भी बाकी सब लोग ताना तो मारेंगे कि नहीं? Everybody is going to heap pile of bullshit about you. Are they not going to say things like that? They are going to say, देखो टाइम मिला नहीं गया. There was they have this term in defense, when a person leaves his job and walks away. What do you call that?
कोर्ट मार्शल.
हाँ, नहीं, कोर्ट मार्शल बाद में होता है, लेकिन he runs away from the job. उसको कुछ तो भी एक टर्म है.
हाँ, वो भगोड़े के लिए एक टर्म है, मुझे याद नहीं आ रहा है.
So people do that. And at that point in time, I remember a person during the 71 war. So it means if you don't do your yes, if you do, yes Padma, if you don't do your swadharma, you will incur sin, 101%. It's guaranteed. So what comes to you naturally, you better do it. And opportunities are going to keep on coming. See, it is not like this that opportunities are not going to come. Opportunities will come naturally to you. But then, only when you are, see, if you remember, there is one particular guru of my guru. He is talking about the snake. The snake doesn't take the opportunity. He sits in one, एक वो रैट के होल में जाके बैठ जाता है और बोलता है कोई रैट आएगा तो मैं खाऊंगा. No, that is only for sannyasi. My guru was talking only when you take up sannyasa, when you have completely given up your life for the person, for sannyas purpose. That is a different story. No, but when you got to do, you got to do. जैसे अभी यहाँ पे कितने लोग हैं जिनको मैंने भगा दिया. मैं ऐसे नहीं बोल सकता हूँ मैंने भगा दिया, मैं ये बोल सकता हूँ कि वो लोग गए कहीं तो भी दूसरी जगह पे कहीं भाग के चले गए. क्यों? क्योंकि उनको अपॉर्चुनिटी बताया, आया, चलो जाओ अभी, तो गए वो लोग. तो आई थिंक एक राजश्री है, एक अपर्णा है, परी भी भाग गई. कल स्नेहम भी भाग जाएगा और मेरे हिसाब से तेज भी जाने वाली है जल्दी से. तेज बोलती है आई डोंट वांट टू गो, लेकिन मेरा अंदाज ये है कि जो सब्जेक्ट उसने चूज किया है उसके लिए the growth factors are much more abroad, if I am not mistaken. I think there are fantastic opportunities, and Kalpana will remember definitely Lahiri. Lahiri was a very good friend of mine from NIFT, and she is now NIFT करने के बाद अभी उसने क्या किया तो she is doing her क्या बोलते हैं genetic engineering. So she was a arts graduate, did her management, then she went for NIFT. Finally, in that what happened was one day she found that there was one job opportunity in this लालबाग के पास कौन सा वो हॉस्पिटल है एकदम ढिंचैक, निमहांस. वो पद्मा ने बोला तो निमहांस में गई और निमहांस में उसने 1 बरस का ना वो जो जिनका वो सोडियम पता नहीं कुछ होता है उनको ब्रेन में, उसके ऊपर उसने कुछ तो भी रिसर्च किया, उसको वो अपॉर्चुनिटी मिला. And then she was doing NIFT with me. So when I was doing the NIFT, I told her क्या कर रही है तू यहाँ पे. तो मैंने उसको बोला 6 महीने में तू भाग जाएगी. And actually 6 months later she got this opportunity from I think University of Texas or पता नहीं ऐसे कुछ भी फंडू यूनिवर्सिटी से, and now she's there. So it happens, suddenly it happens. So opportunities will suddenly tick tick tick, knock knock, are you there, listening to me, ऐसा करके आ जाता है. So I always keep your eyes and ears open. And the warrior chiefs who thought highly of you will now despise you, thinking that it was fear which drove you away from the battle. Now, he is telling Arjuna this. What is he saying? See, if you don't do what is coming to you naturally of fighting this war, एक तो लोग तुम्हें नाम भी कहेंगे, people are going to call you names. But what happens to the people, those who are high and mighty? They will look upon you and say, oh, this person is capable and is still not willing to do the job. जैसे कि समझो ब्रिटो और सेंथिल के लाइफ में एक अपॉर्चुनिटी आ जाती है. The opportunity is to independently handle teams and develop some very beautiful stuff in your own company, and the company gives you the opportunity. And Senthil and Brito say, it means I have to go from here to Boulder, and Boulder says, स्मोल्डर और पता नहीं कैलिफोर्निया जाना पड़ा, मैं इतना दिन बाहर कैसे जा सकता हूँ और ये कैसे कर सकता हूँ, और फिर कल उठ के एक अपॉर्चुनिटी आएगा, बोला प्राग में जाओ, जेकोस्लोवाकिया में अपॉर्चुनिटी है, ब्यूटो बोलेगा हाँ नो प्राग एंड ऑल, व्हाट प्राग, आई डोंट वांट टू बिकम अ रॉक स्टार। तो वैसा भी वो रॉक स्टार ही दिखते हैं, देखा बड़े बड़े बाल एकदम खाली एक गिटार विटार हाथ में मांगता है और एक माइक। तो if he says that he doesn't want to do, then it's a very bad thing, because definitely people are going to look up to him and say ना क्या यार तेरे को इतना अच्छा अपॉर्चुनिटी मिला, गया नहीं तू, हाफ एन आवर ओके फाइन, मतलब बैलेंस है कि खत्म हो गया? हाँ बैलेंस है। So now do you understand? So what is holding you back? You have to first ask yourself, is it the cozy home? Is it that you don't want to take up the opportunity? एक very beautiful book है, I don't know, it's called Asterix Comics. Have you seen? एक ऐसा मोटा सा एक आदमी रहता है, एक पतला सा रहता है, हाँ Obelix, and हाँ बहुत सुंदर, वो गॉल्स बोलते हैं उसको, GAULS, और जब भी देखो तभी है ना, इधर जा उधर जा उधर जा, जाते ही रहता है वो and he will carry his that sword which is always broken, you know, और जहाँ देखो वहाँ खाने को बैठता है। इमेजिन करना, उसने पूरे यूरोप में खा खा के कितना मोटा हो गया, मतलब इमेजिन करना उतना उसने लैंड भी खाया है, you know, he goes to win, and it's always like, it's a very beautiful comic, but it teaches us that yes, the opportunities will come up and you better take them when they come up. Otherwise, not only the world is going to talk back, but your own seniors who are there, they are also going to look up to you and say कि तुमको इतना अच्छे से मिला, तुमने क्यों नहीं किया? So you better do it. So you will find that, suppose now let us say, Pari is the youngest member over here, so just say Pari gets an opportunity that tomorrow Nassim Taleb himself comes to your university and gives you a very fantastic lecture. Okay, and Taleb sir I think he stays in South America, if I am not mistaken. He publishes from New York, but he stays somewhere in South America, if I am not mistaken. Okay, so and Pari is, telling मस्त से उसके साथ है ना आर्ग्यूमेंट कर रही है, फिर वो बोलता है कि अपराजिता, you should come to the United States and you should join my company and blah blah blah. Pari बोलेगी, sir, I got examinations and after that, I have to go, my mother is alone in the country, I have to go and help her and I have to earn for my family. Poor people, they have made so much of this thing. And Nassim Taleb बोलेगा कैसी ढक्कन है यार. I still remember a very great man. This is a story which has been told time and again. This great man, he studied the art of investing. There was one very great person who had written the art of investing and financial markets. So this young boy studied that books from end to end. ये end से वो end तक उसने मस्त से study किया. Finally, he came to New York City and met this great gentleman and told him how much he admires what he is doing. So that person said, okay, but you see, I am undergoing retirement at this point in time. I will give you a letter which will help you join this company. Would you like to join? So he says, yes, of course, whatever you say. But I would like to keep in touch with you, the young boy said to this man. I would like to exchange notes with you continuously. And this old gentleman agreed. And finally, he worked for a few years in that company. And then later on, he went and he resigned this job and joined this other person in his hometown. There he learned something. And then he came to his own hometown. Oh, light gaya lagta hai kalpana ke yahan pe. Then he came to his own hometown and from there he started this business of investing. And today that man doesn't know what to do with his money. I'm sure you know whom I'm talking about.
Warren Buffett.
Yes, वो बहुत खाता है और बुफे में बैठ के वारन खा के उसका वारंटी चला गया है.
Buffett.
बहुत पैसा बनाया उसने. So you see, this is the story of Warren Buffett. He found his calling and he found his guru also. Okay, you have to pursue this matter to that level. It may so happen that you may not get anything out of it. उसमें से पैसा नहीं आएगा या कुछ नहीं आएगा. वो माधवन याद है? कौन से फिल्म का? 3 Idiots का. उसके फ्रेंड्स लोग जबरदस्ती उसका एप्लीकेशन भेजते. And he joins that photographer, wildlife photographer. Okay, so it is not going to give you much, so what is the big deal? But you are doing that which comes to you naturally, and the opportunity also came in the form of the letter. Now if you would have said ना मेरे मम्मी डैडी का है ना, मैंने ये देखना चाहिए, वो देखना चाहिए, ऐसा करना चाहिए. Understand the words over here. He is incurring sin. I have never said that it is your duty to take care of your parents. I have often said, first, why not give the opportunity to the own self? That is you. Take your own opportunity. And then, if God willing, if that is the case, you have to take care of your parents, you will take care of your parents. Destiny is anyway going to bring you to that level. If you have to take care of your parents, they will anyway land up at your place or no, है ना. लेकिन जबरदस्ती ठुसने का जरूरी नहीं है. नहीं तो सीरियल्स बनेंगे, सास भी कभी बहू थी टाइप के घर में. हाँ, और फिर एवरी टाइम somebody will try to murder somebody. कौन सा पॉइजन अच्छा है पहले सोचते हैं वो लोग. And yeah, Jitendra's daughter gives very good, fantastic ideas, by the way. मैं एक सीरियल देखा, उसमें वो लोग सोने के टाइम पे ना सोना पहनते हैं. अजीब लगा मेरे को. अरे यार, तुम सोने के लिए जा रहे हो कि सोना खाने के लिए जा रहे हो? They wear so much of jewelry, ऐसा हाथ में, कान में, एकदम परफेक्ट मेकअप. और वो साड़ी होती होगी शायद 25-40 हजार रुपए की एक साड़ी होती होगी, वैसे वो लोग जाते. अच्छा, कौन से हाउस होल्ड में तुमने देखा है कि ऐसे साड़ी पहन के इतना सज धज के? इवन ड्यूरिंग वेडिंग डे दे विल नॉट डू दिस. नहीं करेगा. लेकिन ये मे बी इट इज दी नल्ली विल्ली ऐसे सब. व्हाट इज दैट अबाउट? What happened to the neighbors? Oh, they were dressed up for the evening, is it? Oh, is it? They must be serial watchers. जैसा serial killers है वैसे serial watchers भी होंगे. बोले ये आप खत्म होगी, उसके बाद ये होगी, उसके बाद जो है ना 5 मिनट का अपने को गैप मिलेगा ना, उसने हम खाना खा लेंगे. और देखो बेटा, जल्दी से है ना, तुम्हारी कल की तैयारी कर लो, 5 मिनट है हमको. वो सीरियल के बीच में उतना टाइम मिलता है. वो एड्स चलते हैं ना, दे विल टॉक लाइक दिस, है कि नहीं? ओके, सो डाई एंड यू विल विन हेवन. बराबर बोल रहा हूं क्या? ओके, एंड योर एनिमीज डिस्पैरेजिंग योर माइट विल स्पीक मेनी अनबिकमिंग वर्ड्स. व्हाट कैन बी मोर डिस्ट्रेसिंग देन दिस? और तुम्हारा एनिमीज भी तुमको छोड़ने वाला नहीं है. वो भी वही बोलने वाला है कि है ना, क्या आदमी है यार, इसके साथ हम फाइट करने को गए, भाग गया. सो डाई एंड यू विल विन हेवन, कॉन्कर एंड यू एंजॉय सॉवरेनिटी ऑन द अर्थ. देयरफॉर स्टैंड अप अर्जुना, डिटरमाइंड टू फाइट. सो इफ यू डाई, remember this is what they say, even in the army, if you die doing your duty, you become shaheed, you become amar. Even Krishna says the same thing. Krishna says this very clearly. He says if you die doing your duty, that means अगर तुम तुम्हारा खुद का काम करते करते अगर तुम मर गए. There is a very beautiful story which has come up over here. There is a one Mrs. Wu. She stays in Shanxi province in China. And this lady is a sweeper. She is 55 years old. Okay, and she won lottery, big amount of money. Okay, and for so many years of service, she has gathered so much of money that she has 17 apartments. She owns 17 apartments. And this lady, every day, even after having those 17 apartments and going and winning a lottery and all that stuff, she still gets up at 3 a.m. in the morning in that blistering cold to clean the sweep, to sweep the roads of that particular city. And she says, for me, my duty is far more important. Money may come and go. Ek time pe, once her son just sat at home because there is so much money around, he just sat at home for 2 months. And she says, I made that fellow's life miserable. I didn't allow him to sit at home. So today the son turns around and says, Mom, if you would not have done this, I would not be working like this. And this is today's story. It's a very beautiful story which will tell you that duty is important. Whether it brings money or doesn't bring money, that is not the criteria to look at it. But if you are doing a particular job, she says, I have to do this job from 3 a.m. in the morning and I love to do my job. And that is a very wonderful thing. I wish I can show you that. It's come in today's paper.
You can post a link.
No, it's there in this paper. Millionaire street sweeper in Wuhan refuses to give up the job. Mrs. Yu, her name is. A Chinese millionaire has refused to give up her day job as a street sweeper for fear of losing her work ethics and set a good example for her children. So she says, I'll just cut the article over here and says, my son once stayed at home for 2 months and I kept scolding him during that time. Now he's doing pretty well. He said to me later, I was right. I was worried he would hang out with bad people and ruin our family. So what does it mean? It means that you got to do your duty. तुम end results के बारे में क्यों सोचते हो? पैसा आया नहीं आया, अगर कभी आता है कभी नहीं आता है, इसका मतलब ये नहीं कि तुमने छोड़ना चाहिए. If you see, there are some very beautiful painters. Even they have painted till the last day of their life. And they have not earned even 1 penny during their lifetime. It is later on posthumously that they have become so famous in their life. Later on in life. And the property has gone to their, whatever that is. उनका जो effects जिनको मिलता है. Same case with the Bront family. Emily, Jane, Now Emily and Jane and all these are great writers. They have written such fantastic books. I mean, today also I still remember Jane Eyre. I remember such beautiful work that is. The family, everybody in the family was a writer. They used to write. I think one was Elizabeth, isn't it? I don't remember. I think there were 3 sisters. But they used to write very beautiful stuff. And then there was a very beautiful person who used to write, Brothers Karamazov, The Idiot. He was a Russian author. I don't know whether you have read about him. But the brothers Nabokov, I don't remember his name. The Idiot is one of the very, very beautiful books that he has written. I don't know whether his name is Vladimir Nabokov or what. The Brothers Karamazov is the name of one of the books. Now, Russia was a closed society and yet he had written such wonderful books. Then there was a Nobel Prize winner, Alexander, whatever his name is, something. He had written a beautiful book called the Gulag Archipelago. Have you read any of these books? No, I'm sorry. So coming back to this, so you got to do what you got to do. So treating alike victory and defeat, gain and loss, pleasure and pain, get ready for the battle. Fighting thus you will not incur sin. So don't bother about it is going to give me, going to give me defeat or is going to give me क्या उसको बोलते हैं, विन और whatever. Doesn't it remind you of Robert Bruce of Scotland and the spider? It's a very beautiful story. The spider, Robert Bruce of Scotland. Again, doesn't it remind you of Krishna himself? How many times did he fight? Who? Shishupal. Yes. Shishupal and his arch enemy. Who was that? The father-in-law. Yes, the father-in-law of Kamsa. He had two daughters who were married to Kamsa. So Jarasandha and Shishupal. And till Shishupal doesn't die, he keeps on fighting and fighting and fighting. So he says, when he is asked the question, why are you not killing him? He says, you know what, I have given a promise to his mother that the day he crosses the 100 great sin, that day only I will kill him. वो भी उस दिन के लिए इंतजार करते रहता है, इमेजिन करो. So you have to treat everything equally. कोई भी तुम काम कर रहे हो उसमें पैसा आए या ना आए, काम करना जरूरी है. That duty has to be done. Whether there is victory in it or loss in it, don't bother about it. So he says victory है, defeat है, gain है या loss है, pleasure है या pain है. You have to do what comes to you naturally. So get ready for the battle. He is telling Arjuna, get ready for the battle. Fighting thus, you will not incur sin. This same line applies to you and me as well. You know that? It's a battle in our life. Are we not fighting the battle every single day of our life? And we better fight it. What is going to come out of it? Why are we bothered? It's our job to fight. Arjuna, the attitude of mind has been presented to you from the point of view of Jnana Yoga. So now he is summing up whatever he has said in the last lines. He says this attitude of mind has been presented to you from the point of view of Jnana Yoga. Now here the same as presented from the standpoint of Karma Yoga, the yoga of selfless action. Equipped with this attitude of mind, you will be able to throw off completely the shackles of karma. Now, whatever the things that I have been mentioning, doing your duty, not bothering about this and that, so many things, I said these things, all those are part of the Jnana Yoga. Jnana Yoga means the yoga of knowledge. Now he says, now I am going to present to you. See, these are synopses, I told you, no? He is going to present all the synopses to you in this chapter alone. So now he says, now I am going to talk to you about Karma Yoga. Karma Yoga, that which is the yoga of selfless action. So, whom has been talking to? He is talking to the mind of Arjuna. That means, whatever teaching that comes up, they have been taught to you, to your mind. Please understand, all these teachings are supposed to go to your mind alone. So, the one inside of you, the Paramatma or the Jiva Atma, the representative of the big Lord himself, he is telling the Jiva, see, I am trying to teach you through your mind alone. This attitude of mind has been presented to you. Correct? Now he says the next thing that I am going to present to you is Karma Yoga. In this path of selfless action, there is no loss of effort, nor is there fear of contrary results. Even a little practice of this discipline saves us one from the terrible fear of birth and death. So, when you are doing your selfless action, when you are doing your whatever that comes to you naturally, correct? See, in the first part is he has told you what comes to you naturally, correct? Now he says, in this path there is no loss of effort. तुमको ऐसे लगेगा कि तुम क्या बकवास कर रहा है यार, उसमें तो कोई फायदा नहीं है, मैं क्यों करूं? Many a times we will think that why should we keep on doing? There is no profit in that, I just have to do, why should I do? Like the CSR initiative, Pari and Aparna. The CSR initiative is an initiative where nobody is going to come and thank you at all. They are not even going to bother about it. So imagine Mother Teresa saves one leprosy patient and the leprosy patient, thank you mother, ऐसा करके 1 लाख टाइम्स उसको थैंक यू लेने का टाइम पे है ना, वो उसको तो बेचारी को जल्दी शी विल बिकम बुड्ढी. So better not get into the thank you situations. She has to do what she has to do. At the end of the day, helping leprosy patients can cause her own self to become a leprosy patient. There was a great person in India who finally succumbed to it, I think. His name was Baba Amte. Have you heard of this great person called Baba Amte?
Yes.
Now, Baba Amte had this great, I stayed with Baba Amte for 1 day, by the way. I had the opportunity of staying in his very beautiful place in the district of Chandrapur in Maharashtra. Amazing personality. And so, is he supposed to say, नहीं, मैं leprosy patients के साथ मैं ना, I will wear gloves and stuff like that and then only work. I will मुंह के ऊपर है ना ऐसा blue color का ये, मेरा सिर कवर करूँगा, मेरा हाथ कवर करूँगा, बाद में काम करूँगा. ऐसे तो उसने किया नहीं ना. Every doctor looks at every patient. Those patients are coming with contractable diseases or no? हो सकता है ना, सर्दी खांसी ये वो पता नहीं क्या 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 सब हम लोग लेके जाते हो डॉक्टर के पास. सबको देखता है ना सही ढंग से, बोला जीभ निकाल, तेरे आंख बड़े कर, नाक ऐसा कर, ये कान में देखूंगा, वो पूरा दुनियादारी देखने के बाद. But if he thinks that I can't look at you easy because I'm going to end up with your cold, गया भाड़ में, तू डॉक्टर का है का फिर. So again, those who handle AIDS patients, if they have fear in their mind, will they do their duty? No. So the duty, don't bother about it whether there is going to be positive effect या negative effect या ये होने वाला है या वो होने वाला है. Okay. So there is no loss of effort, nor is there fear of contrary results. So all your efforts are not going to be going in a loss. So don't bother about it. Even the smallest lifting a pin from here and keeping it over there is also going to be important. Don't worry about it. Alright? There are no contrary results. में से ऐसा आड़ा टेढ़ा कोई result आने वाला नहीं है. Maybe you will not see the result at all in front of you. Like I remember many years ago, I had a friend. This friend of mine, his father used to work in the Western Railway. Now this friend of mine planted a mango tree and they stayed in that colony for 12 years. The mango tree did not bloom during that time. After he left that place and went away, another friend of mine went and stayed over there. And every day these people used to get the fruits. हो सकता है कभी कभी हम लोगों को हमारा पूरा जिंदगी है ना घिस घिस के निकालना पड़ता है. क्यों? क्योंकि फ्रूट शायद तुमको नहीं देने हैं, फ्रूट शायद किसी और को आने हैं. तो ऐसा नहीं बोल सकते वैसे भी मेरे को कुछ नहीं मिलने वाला मैं क्यों करूं, ऐसा नहीं बोल सकते. करना पड़ता है. वो फ्रूट शायद और कोई खाएगा, उससे तुमको क्या मतलब, लेकिन उसका फायदा तो होगा, है कि नहीं. So that is what he says. So there is no loss of effort. The effort is going to, you have to put in efforts 100%. Who is going to draw the fruits of it? You don't know. Whether you are going to get or somebody. And then there are no contrary results. Even a little practice of the discipline saves us from the terrible fear of birth and death. So when you practice this methodology, that I got to do what I got to do, and not with the focus on the कि मेरे को क्या मिलने वाला है उसमें से. Arjuna, in this yoga of selfless action, the intellect is determinate and directed singly towards one's ideal. I will finish till 42. Okay, is that sufficient time or should we end over here? Oh, you have written something.
Yeah, it's now another 5 minutes.
Okay. This is true renunciation. Only efforts are yours. Renounce the fruit of efforts. Yes, he's going to come to that very shortly. Because the fruits of action are never going to be yours, which is definitely going to tell you. But your efforts are going to be 100% yours. You have to put in efforts. But if you are going to focus on मेरे को उसमें से क्या मिलने वाला है तो गए काम से. So I will do. I've done till 40. I can stop over here. It's not a problem. All right. Or yeah. No. The lines are very big, so I will end over here. So we will end at 40. All right. So you have any questions in the next 2-3 minutes or 5 minutes? I can answer. Any questions?
Yeah. Why does Krishna say that even little practice is sufficient? So, I mean, it implicitly says it's a huge task, right? Like to follow this.
No. The effort, see, I told you this comes to you effortlessly. All right. Effortlessly matlab kya hai? You don't have to take out 100% of the time for that in the beginning. It may so happen that you may be doing just 5 minutes of that job in a day. See, in the initial stages, you are not on your path. Maybe you don't know your path. You do not understand what comes to you naturally. That means you will find that for many years, there are people like, वो पिंजरा का हीरो कौन था? Dr. Sriram Lagu. Sriram Lagu used to practice as a doctor. Suddenly one fine day, and he used to do little bit of plays here and there. One fine day he realized that it is important that he becomes an actor. So he left his profession as a doctor. Same way with Shah Rukh Khan. Shah Rukh Khan was a person who used to, college में से ही NSD में जाता था, National School of Drama in Delhi. And he had very great teachers. He came to Mumbai. Many years he did not get any job, no job at all. But that did not deter him. He continued in his pursuit. So today he is a great actor. So like that, Amitabh Bachchan was also a clerk in a government office, if I am not mistaken. So everybody can be something or the other. Like a Winston Churchill, he was a great general, I believe. And then later on he went on to become the Prime Minister. Possible. Like that, every person may get a very small opportunity in the beginning. They may not realize that that is the line they are supposed to take up. It may so happen. Like Padma, she has her natural ability. She does those corrections in people. Now I think she has been doing it for donkey's years, many years. But in her life she was working somewhere, and during that work period she was doing a little bit during that time. And then later on now, I think she is completely devoted to what she is doing. So it is always like that. It doesn't really matter. So it may so happen that initially the opportunity may just come up for a very minute period of time. It's like Kalpana used to work for this bank, Citibank, and one fine day she got the opportunity to do a bull worker's job. I mean, all those bending of the rods and stuff like that, and she found that, of course, she can convince even the guy who is well built and tall to sell to him something which will make him still more taller. I think Uchil, that's the name of the person. We were doing some show, and in that they were selling these rods which you have to fix against two walls, and you have to do those push-ups or pull-ups or something like that. And this guy was already 6 feet tall, and she went and sold him that rod. I was wondering why she was selling him that. And then Uchil, who was the general manager of this company called Menezes Group, na? At every airport there is a Menezes. So Menezes was also the owner of Shelton Group. Shelton, that क्या है वो deodorant जो लगाते हैं बहुत अच्छा smell आता है, Old Spice. So he was the general manager of Shelton, and he was an ex-colleague of mine. So Uchil is asking me, वो कौन है वो लड़की? वो है ना, उसने यार मेरा बेटा ऑलरेडी 6 फुट का है, उसको है ना और टॉल होने के लिए रॉड बेचा. मैंने बोला यार. So then she realized that selling and business is a part of her life, and that is how she came in. So good thing. Whether you are making profit or no is a secondary issue, but realizing that is important. So opportunity will knock sometime, टक 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 करके knock करेगा, बोलेगा आजा, मैं अभी आया हूँ तेरे सामने. Like Aparna is there in a particular position just now. It may so happen that there is something she is good at, which she is doing very, once in a while, but she may not realize it. and suddenly an opportunity may come up in that particular field. Who knows? No idea. Or Brito may be in USA, for he may wonder कि मैं I am working for NetApps and all that. ठीक है, लेकिन क्या होगा? कोई opportunity आएगी, पता नहीं क्या होगा, and suddenly he will find that he is going sailing in that. Maybe you won't find anything worthwhile over there, no money or anything, but it will happen. Same way with Pari also. Don't worry, परी तुम्हारा भी हो सकता है. उधर यूके में बैठ के शायद वो कैसा आइडल, क्या कौन सा शो है वो, अमेरिकन आइडल के जैसा कौन सा, तो भी यूके आइडल शो रहेगा, तो उसमें तू शायद अप्लाई करे और पता नहीं कल उठ के है ना गाना गाने को लगे. और अपर्णा को तो मैं ये बोल सकता हूँ, वो कोक स्टूडियो करके है ना, उसमें तू जरूर अप्लाई करना. So that is that. So do you understand, Senthil? Opportunity may come only for a small window, very tiny window, but tomorrow it may grow. So don't forget to put in efforts over there, even if it is a minor thing. Okay, any other question? Yes.
Wow, the question is in the one of the verses just prior to this, Krishna says to Arjuna, saying that treating victory and defeat alike, gain and loss, and everything means have the equanimity of mind.
Yes.
But before that, he tells him, if you are not going to fight, then people will pour infamy on you. Your enemies are going to be disparaging about you, and they'll despise you. Now, on one side, he says you should not be concerned about any of these things. But then he's using that as an example to prod him on to do his duty.
Correct.
So isn't that opposites that he is also using as an example?
See, what happens many a times is there are multiple methods of convincing some people. एक लाइन बोला, जैसे मैं आज सवेरे इसको बोल रहा था, I said, तुमको लिखने को बोला है ना, कब लिखोगे? या I have to write. अच्छा, बोला 50 बार ऐसा एक थप्पड़ मारेगा तभी एक बार किधर गाड़ी चलती है. वो अपना जो स्पार्क प्लग है ना, उसको क्लीन करना पड़ता है. in olden times when we had those bikes, वो 50 किक मारना पड़ता है, धम धम धम, फिर वो स्पार्क प्लग निकाल के ना करने का, उसके ऊपर कुछ पानी डालने का, पता नहीं क्या क्या करते थे हम लोग, तब भी जाके किधर वो हमारी ओल्ड रॉयल एनफील्ड चलती थी. इतना जोर जोर से आवाज आता था, लेकिन वो चालू करने के लिए अपने पैर दुखते थे, मालूम है. वो वैसे ही है ना, वो जैसे डोंकी को किक मालूम है ना, वैसा हम लोग हर डोंकीज है, हम लोगों को 50 किक मिलने के बाद ही एक बार चलता है. लाइफ ही वैसा है, क्या करेगा. अभी देखो ना, उठने का बात हो गया तो अरे उठ ना, अरे उठ ना, अरे उठ ना, कितने बार गाड़ी को ऐसा पहले वो एकदम एक बटन स्टार्ट वाली गाड़ी आती थी ना, अभी नहीं आती है, पहले वैसा नहीं था, ऐसा करके आवाज आता था, और पहले वो क्रैंकिंग करना पड़ता था आगे जाके, ए जोर से कर, ए जोर से कर. एंड द फेलो हु वाज क्रैंकिंग वुड ऑलवेज वंडर, साला गाड़ी मेरे ऊपर आएगा तो प्रॉब्लम है. Have you seen the old cranking vehicles? They have shown in all the Charlie Chaplin films and all these old films they will show. Laurel Hardy केस में तो बहुत रहता था वो. तो वो क्रैंक करने के बाद ही चलते हैं, और हमारा गाड़ी है ना, वो वर्ल्ड वॉर के उससे पहले का है, बड़ा क्रैंक करने के बाद एक बार चलेगा. So इसीलिए है ना, he has used these techniques. He says, अर्जुना तेरी गाड़ी तो है ना वर्ल्ड वॉर से पुरानी है, तेरे को 50 बार क्रैंक करने के बाद 18 चैप्टर्स बोलने के बाद चालू होती है तेरी गाड़ी. Remember, this is Arjuna. All this body is an Arjuna. We are, अपने को 50 बार बोलने के बाद भी है ना, वो बात घुसती नहीं है खोपड़ी में, तो इसीलिए है ना वो बोलते ही रहता है, बोलते ये इधर से मारने का, उधर से उधर से उधर से. You know, it is like gathering the sheep. कभी तुम लोग कभी गोट्स या शीप को कभी देखा है कैसे गैदर करते हैं? उन लोगों को हर्ड करना पड़ता है, ले ले इधर से आ, इधर से आ, इधर से आ, ऐसा 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 करके फिर उन लोग को कॉर्नर में डाल के वो अंदर पेन में घुसा देते हैं। हम लोग भी वैसे ही है, डुक्कर लोग। बोले वो ऐसा गंदा सा मट्टी में है ना, ऐसा 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 गोल गोल घूमते रहते और कैसे कुछ भी खाने को तैयार, वैसे ही है। सो एट सच पॉइंट इन टाइम क्या करना पड़ेगा? Poor Krishna, he's got a very tough task ahead, especially in the Kali Yuga. It's a very tough task for anybody to get going. लेकिन उसको है ना एकदम इजी देना, इसीलिए मैं बोला ना एकदम, तुमको अगर आज के दिन में सक्सेसफुल बनने का है ना, जितना आदमी लेजी हो सकता है उतना वो लेजी करने के लिए उसके लिए एप्लीकेशन बनाओ तुम। एक बटन से, ऐसा बटन दबाने से ये होता है। तो वैसा ही जितना लेजी एप्लीकेशन तुम बना सकते हो ना, उतना बनाने का, पैसा अच्छा कमाओगे। बिकॉज इट हेल्प्स द कलयुगा, इट हेल्प्स तमस। सो यू हैव टू गिव दीज रेडीमेड रेसिपीज। बटन दबाने से काम होता है, ऐसा समझे? एनी अदर थिंग? You are getting late now, I think, Kalpana. So you can go. Have a very nice day. Bye. See you. Or any other questions for others? No? Okay.